In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper method for breaking the mechanical weld between your ball joint and your spindle. The way this is designed, and I'll show you on my new ball joint here in a second, is it is a concave here on this side and a convex on this side. They're a taper and reverse taper. When they squeeze together, they're actually designed to hold tight even if the nut breaks off. How you break that fitting is with a tool here. It's called a pickle fork. You're going to take and slip it between your spindle and your ball joint and hammer it into position. The hammering action is going to apply leverage just through this taper that'll break that fitting. I'm going to set my tool down and grab my new ball joint and show you the taper on it. As you can see, it's skinnier at the top and gets fatter and fatter at the bottom. As that nut tightens down, it squeezes that progressively fatter portion into a progressively smaller hole, which generates what they call a mechanical weld. I'm going to take my pickle fork and slip it between the two of them and hammer it into position. You're going to hammer away until the weld gives free. It may take a considerable amount of hammering. Right there, the mechanical weld has been broken. As you can see, our upper ball joint is now free, and we're ready to continue with the rest of the disassembly procedure. That is the proper way to seat your pickle fork and break the mechanical weld between the spindle and the ball joint.